Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the 1 hour time frame, I do have a Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here. Now, we should be looking at this move up as possibly being a crescent to this last wave down on the 1 hour. But the problem is that the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames are all in very, very strong uptrends. That tells me that for me personally, I am only looking for longs in an uptrend. There's a chance that this thing just keeps on going and going and going and going to the upside. I definitely think the better, safer money is still looking for longs in an uptrend. Now, keeping that in mind, if you don't really care and you don't mind about counter trend trading, and you do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside, then you definitely could take it as a short and then find out if it really is going to keep on going down or not. For me personally, at least until we get some sort of a breakdown on the daily time frame, I am definitely personally doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend because I still think that the better, safer money is to the long side because the market flow is definitely up on all the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.